One.
Ah, the wilderness. Oh, hello there. Welcome to our Donut Club safety video on how not to get hurt while backpacking. I'm your host, Jonathan Stasiak, and today we're going to talk about several things that you need to know to stay happy in the wilderness. You may know me from my other famous videos such as Bob Ross Paints Mountains, Bob Ross Paints Pets, or Bob Ross paints way too ambitious projects on Trader Joe's paper bags. Now, the wilderness can be a beautiful place, but sometimes when walking around, you can find things that aren't so beautiful. One of those is hot spots. As we're walking through the forest today, what you're going to want to do is keep an eye out for how your feet are feeling. Sometimes, if there's a little bit of rubbing, it gets a little red, and that's not a happy little accident. Wow, that's a close-up of my foot. Sometimes when you're walking through the woods, you might encounter a bear. What should you do if you encounter a bear? Well, that's a great question. First of all, stand your ground. We're going to be finding black bears today, and black bears aren't really a threat to humans. If they still aren't scared away by just you being there and doing things, you can practice a few phrases to scare the bears away. One of them is yeet, yeet, reet, rear, I don't want no bears here. And all you have to do is look at the bear and say, yeet, yeet, reet, rear, I don't want no bears here. And the bear should run away. If the bear still doesn't run away, you're gonna wanna look big, get with your friends, and try and scare it off again with a good chant. You can make up your own chants too. Bears are afraid of rhymes. If the bear still doesn't run away, get your other friends to attack it. You can summon your other friends by saying things like, hey, Kevin just caught a fish. Or, is that a Pop-Tart I see on the forest floor? Now, after eating the Pop-Tart you may have found in the forest floor, sometime you might need to poop. And pooping in the woods is an art and a science. What you're gonna wanna do is find your nearest trowel. This may be located in Tom's backpack, or in Jay-Z's backpack, or in someone else's backpack. The easiest way to find it is to look through everyone's personal belongings until you find it. You're gonna wanna walk out into the woods and start digging.
I think my dead dog's buried there.
You're not gonna wanna dig over Tom's buried dead dog, so you might wanna find the other side of the trail. Once you dig for a while, you're gonna wanna get about 6 inches deep. Once you're 6 inches deep, it's a simple scenario. All you need to do is unbuckle your seaplane themed belt, zip down your shorts, and just go for a quick little squat. Once you're done with your business, you just get up, you wipe, and I think they want you to pack out TP. And you pack out your TP. All you have to do for that is put a Ziploc bag full of TP back in your backpack, which is super gross. Or just bury it if the ranger isn't looking. The final thing we're going to talk about today is water. There's no water here, so I can't show you how to filter water. But the one thing to remember is don't get the clean side of the water filter dirty. Only get the dirty side of the water filter dirty. Otherwise, we have to clean the whole filter, and we don't really have the ability to do that on the trip. So, quiz, which side of the water filter are you gonna get dirty? That's right, the dirty side. Anything else I need to hit? Ben had a list.
Setting up the tent. Pooping in the woods.
We got pooping.
Stacking up.
Ah. Now, you may have noticed that we're in the middle of a global pandemic. However, that's no excuse for skipping one formal and very important aspect of Donut Club backpacking. And that is the stack. At night, and in the morning, we like to conserve water while brushing our teeth. All you need to do is when you hear the call, stack up, arrive with your toothbrush, and we'll do the rest once we're up there. Thank you for coming today on this journey through the wilderness. Don't you see that nature is beautiful? And thank you for flying JZ Air. If you have any further questions, please direct them to myself, Tom, Ben, or anyone else acting stupid on the trip. We hope you enjoy your journey, and thank you. Yeah, let's just cut it there.